How the Red Tent empowers women. Alone, we can feel really overwhelmed by all of life's challenges. But when we gather together, we experience the strength of support. Intuition is also enhanced when women gather together. And this makes it easier for us to transcend our fears through accessing wisdom. By naming our fears, we also take back our personal power. And by sharing what is true for us, we empower our voice, not just with our sisters, but as a practice for letting our voice out in the world. And by acknowledging the impact of our choices, we grow in our ability to be accountable, and that strengthens our wisdom and our integrity. This is how we learn to embrace our womanhood wholeheartedly and authentically, and not wound others by reacting or acting from our unhealed wounds. This is the wounded feminine. The Red Tent teaches us how to embrace all that we've rejected and judged about ourselves. It does this through bringing the light of understanding to our shadow, that which we're unaware of or feel confused about. Nostradamus said that at this time in our evolution as a species, the feminine would rise and transform society as we know it. We are the ones we've been waiting for, as the beautiful Hopi people prophesied. In the Native American tradition, if you wanted to destroy a village, you simply went in and destroyed the Moon Lodge, the Red Tent, because it was the heart of the village, the Holy of Holies, the inner sanctum. It stands to reason that if we want to rebuild our global village as quickly as possible, we need to reinstate this beautiful ancient women's tradition of the Red Tent, the Moon Lodge, to bring back cohesion, to bring back the heart of the village. So yeah, it's time to take action. That's me and my superhero Cozzy. Will you join me? You don't have to wear lycra. In 2010, I received a vision, and it was of circles, people gathering, men and women, all over the planet at the vortices like new moon, full moon, solstices, equinoxes. And what I was shown that through this practice, we would literally raise the frequency on our planet, expand the collective consciousness. And so shortly after, I created the first online training course to train women how to facilitate sharing circles in the Red Tent or Moon Lodge, as it was once known. And I would love to share with you what it is that I offer in this training course. It is a comprehensive training course with over 40 hours of training materials, but delivered in bite-sized chunks so it's not overwhelming. And it compiles all of my learning experiences from over 2 decades facilitating groups of women. It includes 20 video tutorials, 50 magazine-style articles, which you can then print out if you want to compile a folder, 6 PowerPoint presentations, which offer step-by-step detailed explanations, MP3 guided meditations you can defrag to and relax to in the bath, in bed, or lying on the couch, and transcripts for all the video tutorials to assist those who don't have English as their native mother tongue. You also get lifetime access to all the course materials, so you can pass this on to your daughters. And I personally will mentor you through the 6 modules over 6 weeks, and also with an introductory virtual workshop on the day the course intake starts. And in addition to that, we have discussion boards with frequently answered questions. It also includes membership to our Global Sisterhood Forum, which is something that the students get so much out of, connecting with women of all ages, all backgrounds, all cultures, all around the planet. And this forum is not just the women in your intake, but all of our alumni students. So this offers wonderful opportunities for networking, as well as just connecting with like-minded women. You also have the option, if you do choose to run public circles, of free ongoing promotion of your events on my website, on our Red Tent directory. You'll also receive a digital copy of my book, The Grail, The Lies, the Truth, the Answer, rated 5 stars on Amazon. And this includes a chapter on the Magdalens and the Grail practice of the Red Tent. And you get course certification upon completion and accreditation to display on your website. It's also an approved training course, so this enables you to get reduced insurance premiums if you choose to seek out professional indemnity or public liability for running your live events, as well as the other services that you may offer. So what will you learn? In week 1, we cover the tradition of the Red Tent. This is what was the Red Tent, why the Red Tent is needed today, why the Red Tent is held at new moon, how to honor your lunar cycle, the significance of your lunar sign, and the significance of your lunar phase. In week 2, we cover foundations for facilitation. This includes maintaining emotional well-being, authentic self-expression when facilitating, honoring your moon time, debriefing from holding space, setting boundaries, clearing and maintaining energetic space, and personal preparation before circle. In week 3, we journey the structure of the Red Tent. I give you a really easy and effective template, a running order, as well as how to incorporate the new moon sign into your circle. We also explore how to develop your magical gifts each month and the strengths and weaknesses of each moon sign, and how to create really beautiful, powerful group meditations. In week 4, we cover sacred ceremony and group dynamics. So that includes casting circle, invoking the elements, sacred ceremonies that honor the elements, women's charts. There's also a recommended reading list, understanding and establishing the guidelines of the Red Tent, maintaining a safe group space, and identifying the group archetypes that may surface so you know how to deal with different personality types. In week 5, we cover establishing your women's circle. So this includes the option of perhaps running your Red Tents as seasonal retreats and how to incorporate the seasonal festivals, welcoming girls to the Red Tent once they start cycling with the moon, and how to create specific Red Tents to support women at different stages of their life, such as teenage girls, pregnant or new mums, or elder women. And also how to establish a community Red Tent. So with more intentional community starting, this is an essential conflict resolution practice. You know, if the women are doing shadow work on a regular basis, it creates not just sisterhood, but a safe place to process what is being triggered, which really helps the interpersonal dynamics of any community. And in week 6, we look at the logistics, how to establish your women's circle. So we cover choosing a venue, promoting your event, bookings and cancellations, personal presentation and demeanor, creating altars, crystal grids, creating a beautiful interior that mimics the womb so women feel held for their shamanic rebirth every month, and different options for your women's circles and retreats, because we understand just like no size fits all, we're all different. So this is a wonderful template which I then encourage you to adapt and make your own depending on what your passions and talents are. So who is this course for? We have experienced facilitators and therapists who do this training to continue their own professional development. We also have women who have no prior experience, who want to learn step by step everything that they need to know to start running a women's circle. Then we have women who do this course for their own personal healing and empowerment. And those who want to start a private Red Tent circle for them and their closest girlfriends. Or maybe it's for your extended family of grandmothers, aunts, daughters, nieces. So there's no assignments, no assessments, no deadlines, no time-specific webinars except for the first day that the course starts, and so there's no pressure and no stress. The total value that you receive, you can see on the screen for each of the modules. And then there's these bonuses, including the lifetime membership to our forum, the Goddess Wisdom book that's posted out to you, including international postage, the live virtual workshop, 6 weeks of mentoring, a brand new training module on how to facilitate your circles online, because we're living in a digital age and we're needing to adapt. So this means that no matter what's happening externally in the world, you can still continue your service, as well as online ongoing promotion. So the total value is $3,361, but it's only $895. And if you pay up front, you only pay $795. Now, you can opt to pay by installments over 3 months or over 6 months. Just keep in mind that if you opt for the 3-month plan, you'll receive access to 2 modules a month. If you opt for the 6-month plan, you'll receive 1 module every month. And it's tax deductible. So whether you're already working in the wellness sector or you want to be, you can claim the full course cost back on your annual income tax. So what's good about studying online is you don't have the costs that you would with regular in-person training, such as needing to travel and pay for hotels and flights, visas, passports, food. And the training then, it may not be suitable for you to travel at certain times, and it usually costs thousands of dollars because there's so many overheads involved in delivering a live event. Plus you need to take time off work in order to attend. So the beauty of this training being online, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. That saves a lot of money and time with travel costs. You can log on when it suits you around your existing commitments, and it is a fraction of the cost. So you don't need to take time off work, so there's no loss of income there as well. So that's everything. I would absolutely love to be your guide if you feel to train with me. And it's a beautiful experience which women from over 44 countries around the world have absolutely loved ever since it launched in 2013. And so I know that you will love this heart-centered learning journey and connecting with women all over the planet. So if you do have questions, don't hesitate to drop us a line. If not, I look forward to meeting you in person at the first day of our next intake in our virtual workshop. So blessings for now.